She doesn't want a guy who tries too hard. She wants the man who speaks like he already owns the room and her attention. These 7 phrases bypass logic and go straight into her attraction center. Use them right, and she won't forget you. 1. I don't chase, I choose. This phrase resets the entire dynamic. Most men spend their lives chasing approval, chasing beauty, chasing women who barely even see them. But when you say, I don't chase, I choose, you're letting her know. You don't operate like the rest. You're the selector, the rare man who sees his own value. And when a woman hears that, something primal clicks. She suddenly wants to be chosen. 2. You are trouble, but I like it. This isn't just flirting, it's controlled danger. It tells her, I see your fire, I see your energy, and I'm not afraid of it. You're not pedestalizing her. You're not scared of her beauty or her attitude. You're teasing with restraint. And that's catnip for women who are used to weak, nervous men. 3. You don't intimidate me. This is the line you say when she tests your frame. Maybe with sarcasm, maybe with silence, maybe with a look. It's your calm response to chaos. No overreaction, no apology. You're not rattled by beauty. You're not shaken by games. You've seen it all before. So when you say, you don't intimidate me, what you're really saying is, I don't bend, and that makes her lean in. 4. You're not used to men like me, are you? This one works on 2 levels. First, it triggers curiosity. Second, it lightly challenges her. You're planting the idea that you are something new and better. She starts comparing you to every man she's ever met. And guess what? They all lose. Now she's wondering who you are, what you know, and why you feel so different. And the more mystery you leave, the more she chases. 5. I value my time too much for games. This phrase screams self-respect. It draws a boundary without raising your voice. You're not angry, you're not emotional. You're just clear, you know your worth, and you don't waste it on drama. So when you say, I value my time too much for games, it either forces her to level up or walk away. Either way, you win. 6. You're interesting, but I need more than looks. Most guys fold the second they see beauty. They give away all their power. But when you say, you're interesting, but I need more than looks, you break that pattern. You flip the script. Now, she's the one trying to impress you. Now she's performing for your attention. And that is where true masculine power lives. Because beauty alone doesn't move you. 7. You haven't met a man like me yet. This isn't arrogance, it's quiet certainty. You're not saying it to impress her. You're saying it to prepare her. She might laugh, she might roll her eyes, but deep down, she's thinking, who is this guy? It creates tension, anticipation. You become something she hasn't experienced, but suddenly wants. Say it slow, say it with presence, and she'll feel it in her chest. Speak with purpose, speak with presence. These phrases, they don't just attract, they reveal your value without saying it outright. And that's what makes the Sigma impossible to forget. Speak less, mean more, and let her do the chasing. If you found today's video powerful, if even one of these phrases opened your eyes, then make your move. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, Sigma moves only. This channel isn't for everyone, but if you value calm control, calculated attraction, and elite-level mindset, you just found your home. Stay sharp, stay selective, stay Sigma.